guys, I'm here at SHOT Show. I'm actually at the Coolfire Trainer booth with Ben, and we're talking with Ben about Coolfire training. And everybody knows we're proponents of training in dry fire because that's part of our bag. But one of the cool things about the Coolfire Trainer is that it can further enhance your dry fire training from no recoil to adding that recoil in to your training. And Ben, would you kind of give us a scoop as to how the Coolfire training, I guess, properly integrates recoil into your dry fire and what it can do for you?
Okay, so if you've never heard of a Coolfire Trainer, I'll just give you a brief explanation of what it is. We are a CO2 specific training device. It's a drop-in kit for your handgun, and what it does, it actually causes a reaction, CO2 recoil reaction, that just simulates recoil. It accurately simulates up to about 95% recoil. And it's literally a drop-in replacement, as easy to install as literally field stripping your sidearm.
Right, and from our perspective, now that when you're integrating recoil into dry fire, what's going to keep you honest, it's going to keep your grip honest, okay? Because a lot of people we know get lazy with their grip in dry fire. They don't really grip the gun as if they would normally shoot, so it keeps you honest on the grip. It can help you find sight picture, sight alignment faster, because you're disrupting it while you're doing now this dry fire, and then now having to get it back. And then also you're working, if you want to, you can work rapid fire, really getting the trigger speed on there as well, and working things like resetting under recoil, which we're proponents of in your training as well. So I mean, from my perspective, I'm excited about it.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
But anything further you have to say on that part?
Yeah. So one of the major drawbacks of dry fire training, we all know it, and we kind of hate it. It's the having to literally re-rack your slide every time.
Right.
That is a bad habit to get into. We wanted to create a product that eliminated that, and that's what we've done.
Yeah.
Mainly, we've done it with our about 215 different recipes. This year we've came out with an AR version of that. It's literally as simple as taking out your bolt carrier and installing our bolt carrier.
Right.
This will be available about 6 months.
Right. And because, and if I may say, because we actually use the Mantis program as well. Your stuff works well with the Mantis stuff as well.
We couple really well with a lot of different training, targeting simulations, all of those. So TI, Mantis X, laser ammo. They have a few different platforms that we work really well with. We also have our own reflective targets that when the laser hits it sends a reflection, a really high defined reflection right back to you.
Very cool, very cool. So essentially, sky's the limit on dry fire.
Oh yeah, sky's the limit. Man.
Now, I mean, I don't know about you, but I actually like dry fire. I mean, I enjoy it.
It's a little different.
It's different. I enjoy it. I mean, it's free 90 free as opposed to going to the range.
Yep.
And I mean, even though we're on the range all the time, getting those reps at home is important.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Absolutely.
So, but this brings dry fire to a whole new level. I mean, short of sending down rounds down range and going to the range, I mean, there is no excuse.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. To practice at home and get your reps in and really diagnose what you're doing wrong or what you need to get better at.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So, I like it.
That's a Coolfire system, man.
Yeah. So you have 3 different packages, bronze, silver, and gold, right?
Yep.
Okay, depending on how into it you want to get, the packages dictate. So
packages dictate.
What's really the difference?
So your bronze package is your bare minimum of what you need in order to start firing in your living room.
Yep.
The silver package will come with a slightly different laser. It's called a rapid fill adapter. It'll have a laser. With our silver package, you have to continually remove that laser in order to fill the barrel. With the rapid fill adapter that comes in the silver package, you don't have to remove it.
So you just keep the laser on, fill it, go.
Yep, and keep going. And then our gold package will come with the rapid fill adapter and also come with 3 targets and a controller for laser ammo.
Gotcha. Cool. So depending on where you're at and what you want, there you go. So thank you. I appreciate it, Ben. Thank you. Make sure you like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We put a lot of content out there. We drop a video every Tuesday for your viewing pleasure. And we vary up the content so that way we stay relevant for you.